If you've never been diving, it's not natural. I mean, you're breathing underwater. And at first, your brain tells you, it lets you know. You can feel it. And then suddenly, it goes away. What feels unnatural is suddenly abandoned. Your mind goes elsewhere, to the beauty around you. You're in awe of where you are, this mysterious abyss, this new environment you've never known. Any doubts, any worries you had, they disappear. And now you're there, you're here, taking it all in.
What's up, everybody? Thank you for watching. If you liked what you saw here, please subscribe below. It helps me out. Without subscribers, I really can't grow this channel. So thank you very much, and you guys stay safe out there and be easy, and let's travel.